Okay, so for this problem, number 13, we have that Andrew is planning to buy 3 t-shirts and 3 sweaters. These things right here is called a matrices or a matrix, M-A-T-R-I-X. It is just a mathematical way to sort of put a bunch of data in a cute little table. That's all it does, that's all it's good for. So let's imagine that the t-shirts are down this column and the 3 sweaters are down this column. It would be just the same as if this t-shirt right here, you have one t-shirt which is blue and then another t-shirt which is red and then another t-shirt, and this t-shirt and this column matches to there, so this is $15. This one is $12. Over here you would have like a long sweater, and the first sweater that you laid out is $20. So that's all this matrix does, is organize information. Now, what it says in the problem is that this is C. This was the original price, and this is the price that he bought it for when it was on sale. So what you need to do is, how do you figure out to go from a 15 to a 12.5, or from a 12 to a 10.20? So those numbers match up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So now what you want to decide is, how can I take this number 15, do some mathematical magic, and then wind up with this 12.75? So then the question is, for letter, I don't know, just pick a random number. If I take 0.15 and I multiply it to 15, so if the answer is G, that means my first answer would be 15 times 0.15, and then and that was supposed to equal 12.75. And then I take my 12 and I multiply by 0.15. And then I take my 15 again and I multiply by 0.15. Well, doing some basic arithmetic, you can tell pretty quickly that 15 times 0.15 is nowhere near 12.75. So you get rid of that answer. Now, let's see about this. What about take C? So this is all the numbers of C. So here's my matrix C. So in this, for letter I, which I'll scoot over here, okay, my first number is 15, and now I simply have to add 0.15. And then for my second number, 12, I have to add 0.15. Well, I can tell pretty quickly that is not going to be my answer. A 15 plus 0.15 is not going to give me 12.75. So that is not my answer. So now the competition is, which one is correct, F or H? Should I take the number C and add 0.15 of C to get 12.75? Or should I take that 15 and subtract 0.15 times 15? And then the question would be, which one, either F or H, is going to give me that answer?